Good afternoon. Today is April 27, 2020. On behalf of Deptford Township Council, we're here in the 6th week of this worldwide pandemic to give you updates and information. While we're here in Deptford Township Council chambers, and we do want you to look at our mural up here. It is an original mural created by local artist Frank Cedar, and it depicts the first flight in America's history by John Pierre Blanchard. Very historical event. First in aviation in the country. Let's get to business. Deptford Township has seen a sizable uptick in confirmed cases. This is primarily due to an increase in our long-term care facilities in Deptford Township. These facilities are an issue all over the country, and we are no different. So let's give you numbers. Deptford has 248 cases as of today. Over 100 of them are from the long-term facilities, long-term care facilities. Gloucester County has 1,133. New Jersey has an uptick to 111,188, with 6,044 deaths in our state, sadly. So we're moving to dispel rumors and innuendo with facts as we get them, especially with guidance from the CDC, one of the reasons we're doing these videos. Look on our website, www.deptford-nj.org, for township information and links to other helpful sites. The injection or ingestion of any kind of disinfectant can be deadly. Do not accept medical advice from anyone except a certified health professional and/or physician. Any suggestions otherwise from anyone, including the president, is irresponsible and dangerous. We've had calls about this already. There is no cure for this virus, no vaccine for it. They can only treat symptoms at this time. The virus is here, it's in every community, and it cannot be stopped unless we follow guidelines put out by our health organizations. We all want and need the economy to get open as soon as it is safe. To get there, we must slow and stop the spread of the virus. This can only be done by washing hands, coughing in sleeves, wearing masks, physical distancing, using hand sanitizers, disinfecting surfaces, and all of that is to protect yourself and to protect others and our workers in stores and healthcare facilities. So quickly, I brought my old copy of the Andromeda strain today. It was great reading back then. And if you will indulge me, listen to this in the foreword of a book printed in 1970, which is almost 50 years ago. So we have it, excuse me. However, I think it is important that the story be told. This country supports the largest scientific establishment in the history of mankind. New discoveries are constantly being made, and many of these discoveries have important political or social overtones. In the near future, we can expect more crises on the pattern of Andromeda. Thus, I believe it is useful for the public to be made aware of the way in which scientific crises arise and are dealt with. That's only one paragraph from the foreword of a book from 50 years ago. The point is, we knew this was coming, and we know how to fight it. But we must, after 2 months, have test kits, PPE, which is personal protection equipment, for practically everyone, and an aggressive vaccination schedule. So write or call your federal representatives and find out what progress is being made on this. So it has been a normal rainy April in the Northeast, but the weather is quickly turning nicer this week. We'll be in the 70s pretty soon. Get outside, take walks, ride your bikes, but do not congregate in groups, and don't forget masks help, but are not a complete deterrent to getting sick. They actually protect others. Mental health is all important in this. Stay as active as you can. Read books, do yard work. In saying that, trash companies are being hammered by house cleanouts. Keep track of where you have been and who you have contacted in case that info is needed later on. Subscribe or buy newspapers to get accurate, up-to-date news and to keep our reporters employed. The word fake news is the greatest threat to our democracy. We must have truthful, accurate reporting from local and national news agencies. These videos are for us to communicate, let you know we're here working every day, and to get you the most accurate information that we can. Stay safe. We must work together to beat this. Stay physically apart. Don't congregate in groups when the weather gets nicer. And we'll see you soon. Thank you.